Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to equip gun skins in Call of Duty Mobile. If you've unlocked a new skin and want to show it off in battle, this guide will get you set up in just a few seconds. First, open Call of Duty Mobile and go to the loadout menu. You'll see your multiplayer or battle royale loadouts displayed here. Next, tap the weapon you want to customize. This will open the weapon selection screen. At the bottom or side of the screen, you'll see all available skins for that gun. Now scroll through the skins and pick the one you want to equip. Once you find it, tap on it, then hit the equip button. Your weapon will now have the selected skin applied. If you want to change skins for multiple loadouts, simply repeat the same process for each one. Remember, skins are cosmetic only. They don't affect the gun's stats, but they definitely make your loadout look awesome. And that's it. Thanks for watching Fix Your Apps, and I'll see you in the next one.